Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode of Power by Desktop Tips and Tricks, we're going to tackle something super practical: how to calculate an employee's age from their birth date automatically right inside Power BI. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add dynamic age calculations to your reports that update every single day, so you'll never have to worry about outdated information again. Let's jump right in. Imagine you have an employees table. It probably looks something like this. You've got columns for employee ID, name, and of course, birth date. This is really common in HR dashboards or any dataset where tracking age might matter. For our example, we've got people like John Doe, Mary Ann, and a few others, along with their birthdays. Now, let's make your lives easier by showing you the quickest way to add an age calculation. Go ahead and select your employees table. Then at the top menu, find the Modeling tabs, click that, and you'll see an option called New Column. This is where we'll input our age formula. The formula itself uses DAX, which is the language Power BI uses to do all its calculations behind the scenes. Basically, what we're doing is subtracting the employee's birth date from today's date to figure out how many years have passed. This gets you an age that updates automatically every day. Super handy, right? Now, if you want to be extra precise, especially if you'll be doing more complex analysis, I do recommend taking it a step further. For a more accurate age calculation, you'll actually want to create a new measure. In the data pane on the right, locate your employees table, give it a right click, and then choose New Measure, here, where you'll paste the improved formula. Don't worry about memorizing it, I've put it in the video description for you. Just make sure you adjust the field names if your table is set up differently. This measure approach is great because it factors in leap years and partial months, making the age calculation a bit more trustworthy, especially if you're dealing with things like benefits eligibility or seniority tracking. Alright, now it's time to actually see your new age column in action. Head over to the Insert area and pop a table visual onto your report canvas. In the fields list, select name, birth date, and then the age column or measure you just created. Drag those right onto your table visual. And there you go, you can see in real time each employee's age calculated based on today's date. It's such a satisfying moment. What's really cool about this setup is that the age value isn't static. If you open the report tomorrow or any time in the future, those ages will adjust automatically. This is a perfect example of how Power BI helps you keep insights fresh without having to manually update your data every year. So that's it for this quick but powerful trick. Now you know how to turn a simple birthdate column into a living, breathing age metric that's always up to date. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Power BI feature you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized Power BI tips. I've got lots more to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.